Alright guys, so the new Apple Watch SE3 does have this double tap feature, which is great because most Apple Watches don't have it. So first, to do this, you would just use two fingers, your pointer finger and your thumb. So just tap them 2 times together, like this. You can also scroll down on your app page. So to turn this off and customize it, you're going to go into your settings. So I see if you want, you can double tap here too. Probably easier than scrolling though. Press on gestures. So make sure gestures is turned on, press double tap. So for playback, this is music playback. The default is you can play or pause. You can also skip a track though. You also have the smart stack I just showed you, which is right here. So the default there is advanced move down, but you can also use it to select. We also have the option to ignore double tap when using Apple Vision Pro. That's pretty niche though. So with this you can do stuff like answer calls, you can scroll widgets, reply to messages. You can also double tap to end the call. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tell me if you have any questions.